Hello and welcome to the office of Fusta 2005. Today we're going to be doing our 1 year and final review of the SecretLab Titan XL. Alright, here it is, the 1 year review of the SecretLab Titan XL. This particular one is the 2020 version. I bought it in March of 2021, just before they came out with their latest edition, which I believe is called the Titan Evo. And they do have a standard and a big and tall version of that as well. There are a few different features to it. I believe the pillow itself, the neck pillow, is magnetic. So it sticks to the chair instead of having a strap, and that's really my only beef with the chair so far. And it'll always be that way. Is that this pillow will snap off every once in a while if I don't check it when I first sit down. Make sure that it's strapped on correctly. But other than that, all of the different parts move. It's not difficult to move all the features. It doesn't squeak or creak at all. Even after a year, I have not done anything in particular to the chair to make sure that it. I haven't oiled any of the joints or anything. It's pretty much the way I got it when I pulled it out of the box. So I would highly recommend it to anybody that's looking for a gaming / office chair. You don't have to get the big and tall version. If you want to get the standard version, it's obviously a little cheaper, depending on your size preference. So I'll put the links down below for the chair, and if you're interested in it, go check them out. Once again, I'm not sponsored by anybody, especially SecretLab. I'm doing this out of my own volition. So anything that I say on my channel for any of the products so far, it's coming straight from me and not from anybody that's sponsoring the videos. So if you like the content on this channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.